Hello everybody, welcome to BizzyMind's tutorials and reviews. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a simple HTML link on anything on your website. It might be a text, it might be a sentence, it might be an image. All we want to do here is to add that link around the text or the image, so that when you click on that image or you click on that text, you'll be moved from that particular page where you have that text. You'll be moved from that page to another page, or you might also be moved from that page to another website. Or sometimes when you click on a particular thing, text or image, you're asking something to download on your website. So these are the reasons you want to add link to anything. It's like you're moving from one page to another, from one website to another, or causing a download to happen. So I know you might be wondering about all these things, HTML head and all that. This is how you design a website. These are the things you have to write when you're building a website, like creating your HTML page, creating your CSS style sheet, so that you can begin to style it up. I know if you're new to website design, if you're a beginner, I think you might not understand this thing, because the reason for this video is just to add link. So I'm not going to explain all that, how to design a website, how to create these pages. If you want to learn all that, you have to go down to the link of this video, the description box. The description box of this video, you definitely see a video there. You will see the link to the video where I talked about how to design a website, creating your pages and everything, structuring your website. You see the link to that video there. I explained everything. So I didn't talk about JavaScript and PHP and all that, because those are advanced. You just have to know the basic as a beginner. So that video is very simple. Just go to the description link of this description box, then and click on that link, how to design a website. You definitely go to that video on YouTube and learn all about that. But if you're here, I believe you already know how to do all that. You've watched that video and you want to just know how to add link around an item, probably a text, an image. So this is how we do it. If you want to do that, this is how we do it. Now, I'm on this page a.html. These are my two pages. This page A, page B. These are the two pages. You can see on page B, this is a simple website. I just wrote that for us to differentiate the pages. Then I have page B. Then let's go to page A. I have page A, then I have next. So this is what we want to click for us to move to this page where we can see this one. So let's go to this page here now. So to click on this one, so that when people come to your website, they click on this next, it now move them to the next page. Let's go to our folder where we have these pages, these two pages. Let's view this page on the browser. You will see that this text does not contain any link. So if it were to be in your website, if somebody comes to your website, they will just see the text as normal text. It will not be clickable because we don't have any link yet. So let's just go into our folder. You can see this is my desktop. This is okay, I have them saved in my folder called website lessons. So I open it, look at them. This is my page A, HTML page. This is my page B. So let's put our mouse on that page A. Let's open it with so you right click. You now say open with Google Chrome. You can use anything like Firefox, Internet Explorer and all that. But in my own case, I'm using Google Chrome. So you click it. So this page A will now open. You can see it. Let me maximize it. So this is what will display. This is what your visitors will see. So you can see this is what you are seeing. Page A, and look at that word next. You can see there's no link. If you over your mouse on it, there's no link on it because we've not added a link. But let's go back to our edit and text editing software now, where we are editing. Where we are designing the website. Now we are here now. So I'm using, for your information, I'm using Notepad. You can use Notepad++, but I'm using Notepad++. You can use any text editing software. That's why I'm saying you should go back to my description this thing, so you can check on that video on how to design website. You'll see all these things there. Okay, now look at these things. So if you want to add link for here, this is what you do. You want to add link on this thing. So this is what you do. You come here, see, behind the text or the image. In this case, this is text. You come to behind this, You now press down your shift. You now say open angle brackets, closing angle brackets on your keyboard. They're all there on your keyboard. You now move your cursor inside this thing. Inside this bracket. So you will now say a space href equal to, you now put your quotation mark and you now, okay, that's that. Then you now come in front of the text or in front of the image. You also write open angle bracket. You now put this /. You now say closing angle bracket. And after the /, you now say a. So this is just the link. You've added the link to this word. So if you save this doc, say just here, you can see here, from here, then this place, this is the link. You can see the text is in between the link. So the link is now affecting the text. So if you save this one now, let's go and save it. Then go back to our browser. So I've saved it now. Then I go to the browser. This is the document. You see there's no link. But if I refresh this page, because I have to refresh it for that link to take effect inside this browser. So if I refresh this page now, here, come here, you see the link will now come on this one because we already added the link now. So refresh, you can see. You see, and there's link now. There's no link here because we did not put the link here. It's only around the nest. You can see there's link now. So if you want to move from this page A now to page B, if you click it, it's supposed to go. But the reason why you see it's not moving from this page to another page, because we have not added the title of that page in the link. So let's go back there now. You can see there's link now, but it will not take you anywhere because you have not given it a destination where you want this link to take you to. So we'll now go back to that software now here. This is where between this quotation mark, this is where you put the place you want this link to take you to. And in this case, you want it to take you to this page B. So the title of this page B now, this title, that's what you write inside here. So you look at this title now, you write it inside here. You will now say page B.html. You see, I've written page B.html. This is the page. So I want us to move from this page. If we click this word, it will not carry out to this page. Let's save it first. You see, I've saved it. Then now let's go back to our Chrome. Now look at our Chrome. Let's refresh it. Watch now. Let's click. See, let's click it. You see, it will move us from this page A to page B. Watch it. You see, it has changed. You can see it here. It changed here. It changed from page A to page B.html. So because we clicked that link that was surrounding that nest, that word nest, it moved up to this page B. Look at what we wrote there. This is a simple website. So this is just a simple way to add a link to anything on your website. So that's just as simple as that. So that's just it. So thank you for watching.